Recently, a completely new type of viral content has been capturing everyone's attention, keeping viewers glued to their screens without looking away for even a second. Without professional mechanics or large workshops, some creators are earning millions of views and thousands of dollars simply by showcasing incredible miniature house building videos. Using tiny bricks, sand, and cement, they craft miniature houses that look exactly like real homes through detailed handwork. In today's special tutorial, I'm going to teach you a unique AI workflow that will allow you to create professional quality, viral, miniature house construction content directly from your phone or computer. First, let's take a look at one of our competitor channels. The channel is called Vifuho. One of their videos, published just 3 days ago, has already reached 27,000 views. Another video, uploaded 1 month ago, has already surpassed 441,000 views. As you can see, their other videos are also performing extremely well. If we check their popular videos section, we'll notice that one video has crossed 1 million views, while another has gained more than 500,000 views. Before we begin the process, go directly to the Google Docs link I've prepared, where I've organized this special renovation mega prompt. Copy the entire text carefully. Make sure you don't miss a single line or bracket, then paste the prompt into Claude and click Run. As soon as you submit the command, Claude will ask whether you want to create content targeting audiences from the United States, Canada, or Europe, while option B will be for India and Pakistan. We'll choose the appropriate option, copy it completely, paste it into the box, and run it. Claude will then generate 10 completely unique renovation theme ideas. Simply choose the one you like the most, copy it, paste it into the box, and run it. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a complete direction guide for the entire renovation project. It will include detailed image prompts, motion prompts, audio prompts, Ultra HD image prompts for every scene, and the most powerful part, the continuity prompt, which keeps details such as window placement, furniture positions, and room layouts perfectly consistent throughout every frame. Now it's time to create the cinematic visuals. Copy the image prompt for the first scene and go directly to the Google Flow website. It's an excellent tool for generating high-quality cinematic artwork completely free. Select image mode, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and use 1x output. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the canvas model. Paste the prompt from Claude and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first cinematic scene will be ready. For the second frame, copy the next prompt from Claude and paste it into Google Flow. Before generating, drag the first image we created onto the timeline as a reference image. This small trick ensures that elements such as the painter's roller brush, wall colors, furniture, and lighting remain perfectly consistent throughout every scene without changing unexpectedly. Follow the same method for scenes 3, 4, and all the remaining scenes. Generate each image one by one and download them. Now that we have all the images, it's time to bring them to life. Copy the animation prompt for the first scene from Claude, including the audio guide. Open the first image, click the 3-dot menu, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Once the process is complete, the static image will transform into a beautiful hyperlapse renovation animation. Repeat the same workflow for every remaining image using the ready-made prompts until all your video clips are finished, then organize them into a single folder. Now it's time for the final step, editing. For this, I'm using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the video clips downloaded from Google Flow. Arrange them according to the renovation sequence on the timeline. After placing all the clips, increase the original video sound volume. Play through the entire project carefully. If you notice any unwanted distortions or unnecessary sections, trim them out so the final video feels like premium content from a professional design channel. Next, add a black flash to transition between every video clip. Notice how beautifully each scene ends with a smooth visual transition. It gives the entire video a much more polished and cinematic appearance. Your high-quality AI renovation video is now 100% ready to take the internet by storm. And if you'd like to get this special prompt completely free, simply type renovation in the comments and I'll send you the link to your inbox right away.